Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen and the 392nd episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of you a classic Southern dish that is out of this world amazing. We're going to make chicken spaghetti. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, and it's going to have lots and lots of cheese and And this is a great weeknight meal that your whole family is going to love and enjoy. It is so satisfying. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Southern Recipes playlist and my previous video, Southern Peach Pound Cake. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your spaghetti, your chicken, and your cheese sugar, because we're about to bake some cheesy chicken spaghetti magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep the vegetables. Over here I have 1 green bell pepper, or you can use red, 1 large yellow onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to chop them up. Alright, so now we're going to set the vegetables and garlic aside while we work on the other ingredients. Alright my friends, over here in my pot I boiled some water and I add in some salt. And we're going to add in the spaghetti, a ½ pound, which is 8 ounces. Give that a quick stir so the pasta doesn't stick. And we're going to let the pasta cook until it's al dente, about 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's get started on our cheese sauce. In my large pot, I got the fire over medium-high heat. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and our onion and bell pepper. Give that a quick stir. And we're going to let the onions and bell pepper cook until they're translucent, about 5 to 7 minutes. Alright my friends, the bell pepper and onions nice and soft. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. Alright, that looks great. Now it's time to add in the garlic. And 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. This is going to be our thickening agent. Give that a quick stir. And we're going to let this continue cooking for 2 minutes to get rid of that raw flour taste. Alright my friends, now it's time to add in the milk. Going to add in 2 cups of my favorite milk in the world, evaporated milk. Give this a stir. So now we're going to cut the fire down to simmer. And we're going to let this cook until it thickens. So now I'm going to drain my pasta. And as soon as I get this thickened, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, the sauce is nice and thick. So now I removed it off the fire and off the stove. So now it's time to add in the cheese. For this recipe, I'm using Kobe Jack, or you can use any cheese of your choice, and this is 2 cups. Give this a quick stir until the cheese melts. My friends, look at this cheese sauce. Woo-wee! I'm in cheese heaven. All right. Now it's time to add in our last few ingredients. We're going to add in 15 ounces of diced tomatoes. I'm using the basil, oregano, and garlic flavor, or you can use the original or the Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies. And our chicken. I'm using 2 cups of diced chicken, or you can shred it. You can use the dark or the white meat. Our cooked spaghetti, and my seasoning. I'm using a half a teaspoon each of Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. And using my tongs, we're just going to stir all these together until it's well incorporated. And make sure you taste to see if it needs any more seasoning. Smells good. Alright, as soon as I get through mixing all these in, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing everything together, and I taste it has the right amount of seasoning. Now ready to pour it into the pan. We're going to pour it in a 9 by 13 inch long baking dish that I grease with cooking spray. Alright, my friends, there's one more thing we gotta add to it before we put this baby in the oven. Some more Colby Jack cheese right on top. And this is 1 cup. So that's a total of 3 cups of cheese in the entire recipe. It's gonna be cheesy delicious. Alrighty, now we're ready to put this beautiful chicken spaghetti in the oven. We're going to put it in a preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 25 to 30 minutes until the cheese is melted. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Cheesy chicken spaghetti. It smells incredible up in this kitchen. Look at the cheese on top, nice and melted. I can't wait to dig in. Alright, so now we're going to let it cool for a few minutes on the wire rack, and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I garnish it with some parsley flakes right on top. Look at those colors. That looks pretty. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Oh yeah. It has great balance of flavors, bursting with cheesy goodness. And the pasta and chicken is tender. This is scrumptious, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Chicken spaghetti-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And also hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.